So, in this video, along with 2 or 3 other ones, we're going to show you what the best items you can get at fast food restaurants are in case you haven't had a chance to make your food. I know in one of our last videos, we showed you how to meal prep. If that
Under
fails,
30 minutes.
That's right. And if that fails and you don't have time to do that, don't panic, because there are other ways to get your macros in and you don't have to eat unhealthy. First thing, hotcakes, you get 3 of them. There is 530 calories right there. 9 fat, 106 carbs, and 8 grams of protein for all of that, or that small amount. Again, no butter, but you can use this. That gooey goodness. Oh, look at that. So you can add this. It's not gonna add any fat, it's obviously gonna add sugar. Again, like if you wanna try to keep your sugars down, don't add this just because these are sweet enough on their own. All right, ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just a bit. Yeah. That's good.
Just leave this up here. It's actually really good, I'm not gonna lie.
It is good, right?
It's like it's fresh. It's not like it's not been sitting in the freaking fridge long.
All right. Do you want the egg McMuffin?
I do, yeah. It looks like a.
It doesn't look that good. It doesn't look that good, but if you, again, the point of it is not how good it looks, or like, you know, it's, you need it in a pinch, you want something quick. It's not that bad. This one, with no cheese or butter, is 230 calories, 6 fat, 28 carbs, and 13 protein.
There we go. Y'all know
the
the
next
ritual.
one, this is mine. I'm taking this one. The hamburger with no cheese. This one. 240 calories, 8 fat, 32 carbs, and then 12 protein.
Nice.
So 240 calories in this.
She's not.
Bam, bam.
I get like grease all over my lens or something.
It's actually good. I wouldn't recommend like hitting all of your calories and fat and carbs and whatever just by going to fast food restaurants. But
things happen in life, you know. Like,
like if you don't have your own business, or like
if
you didn't buy Bitcoin when you should have, then you have to eat. Okay, the next one.
Clumsy.
Here.
Open it though.
I got it. It's okay.
Only if you had iPhone X, man.
Yeah. I don't know how this one's gonna taste. I've never actually had this one. A tomato mozzarella grilled sandwich.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, one looks great, man.
Oh, you got to okay. Okay, so it's got sauce. If this didn't have sauce on it,
which is not that much sauce to be honest.
Too much sauce.
Like, it's not too much.
No.
Well, I'm trying to make it worse now.
430 calories, 10 fat, 55 carbs, and 22 protein. How's it tasting?
Surprisingly well. I'm not
First 3 bites are pretty good. I guess the sauce helps for sure.
Not even that, the grilled chicken is actually really good.
Okay. Okay, let's get a little
tastes
bit
like
closer to that.
Tastes like a fancy schmancy.
It does look good actually. It's not bad. So that's pretty good. Like if you have a craving and you didn't have time to make anything, you can grab these. And we'll meet you back in a sec. So stay tuned because we are going to do more videos like this.
Yeah, we're actually making a series of this, so we're just gonna go over to more like mainstream restaurants, like international, for example, like Starbucks, like Burger King, all these fast food restaurants that you might go at some point in your life. So that way, whenever you go there, you're not lost. You already have the food that's like healthy, fits in your macros, and that way we can help you out, like, you know, stick to your diet and look shredded, dude.
Yeah, and if there is a restaurant that you guys want us to see us go to, comment down in the comments below. Let us know what you think, and then we can figure out what the healthiest items are on their menus. Stay tuned for more.
Take care, guys. Peace.